Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fixed current printer is unavailable. Select another printer error in Excel. Open Registry with administrative rights. Click and expand HKey current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version. Right-click Windows. Click Permissions. Select all application packages. Check full control. Add everyone to full control.
I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.